Think you're a math master? Think again. Get ready for the ultimate math challenge. Only the sharpest minds will survive. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more brain-busting quizzes. 156 plus 231 equals? The answer is 387. If 5 pencils cost $1, how much would 15 pencils cost? $3. 203 minus 91 equals? It's 112. 17 times 3 equals? It's 51. 189 plus 322 equals? The answer is 511. 265 plus 143 equals? The answer is 408. 964 minus 752 equals? $212. 25.9 plus 17.2 equals? $43.1. What is 15% of $500? It's $75. If 4 apples cost $2, how much would 10 apples cost? It's $5. 290 plus 135 equals? $425. 517 minus 305 equals? The answer is 212. 38.4 plus 29.5 equals? The answer is 67.9. What is 25% of 800? $200. If 2 books cost $18, how much would 7 books cost? $63. 63.2 plus 54.4 equals? $117.6. 301 plus 344 equals? $645. 23 times 5 equals? $115. What is 50% of $1,250? It's $625. A $220 watch is discounted by 15%. What will the sale price be? $187. $150 dress, 10% off. Final price? $15. 269 plus 278 equals? $547. 186 minus 74 equals? $112. 41.7 plus 33.9 equals? It's 75.6. 658 minus 446 equals? The answer is 212. What is 75% of $400? $300. If 3 liters of gas cost $9, how much would 10 liters of gas cost? $30. A $150 shirt is discounted by 20%. What will the sale price be? $120. 667 plus 120 equals? $787. 710 plus 189 equals? $899. 739 minus 520 equals? $219. 15 times 7 equals? It's 105. 56.8 plus 47.1 equals? 103.9. What is 10% of $950? $95. A $300 jacket is discounted by 25%. What will the sale price be? $225. 691 plus 671 equals? $1,362. 402 minus 195 equals? The answer is 207. If 7 tickets cost $35, how much would 12 tickets cost? $60. 26 times 3 equals? $78. 890 plus 560 equals? It's $1,450. Well done, everyone! Which question did you find the most challenging? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more brain teasers, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss our next challenge. Thanks for watching!